In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated stock price alert workflow. We'll start by setting the automation to run on its own. A market hours trigger, configured as a cron node, kicks everything off at regular intervals during trading hours. That means no more manual refreshes or missed moves. The workflow wakes up every few minutes, checks conditions, and keeps watch continuously. Think of it as your always-on entry point to the system. Next, the workflow reads your stock watch list from a Google Sheet, so you can manage everything in a simple, familiar place. Each row typically includes the stock symbol, upper and lower price limits, the alert direction you care about, a cooldown to space out notifications, and the last time an alert was sent. Pulling all rows at once keeps the process scalable and flexible, and you never have to touch the automation when you want to adjust a threshold. Just update the sheet. Before doing anything with those values, the data is cleaned and prepared in a code node. Here, the workflow checks that essential fields like symbol, upper limit, and lower limit exist, and converts prices and times into proper formats. This prevents strange spreadsheet entries from breaking the run and ensures consistent, structured inputs for the next steps. With clean data in hand, the workflow makes an HTTP request to a stock market API to fetch live pricing. You'll get fresh market details, such as the latest timestamp, the most recent closing price, and recent historical values. This real-time feed is what powers accurate alerting. Now the smart alert logic takes over. This code node compares the current price to the watch list limits and decides whether to create an alert. If the price moves above the upper limit, it prepares an up alert. If it drops below the lower limit, it prepares a down alert. If the price remains within range, it stays quiet. The node also assembles a clear message describing what happened. An IF check confirms that an alert message actually exists. If not, the workflow simply waits for the next scheduled run. If it does, it proceeds to notifications. First, an email goes out with the symbol, current price, alert type, and the time it triggered, delivering a clear snapshot to your inbox. Then, the same message is sent to your Telegram chat for instant, on-the-go visibility. After notifying, the workflow updates the Google Sheet with the latest alert price and time, creating a tidy history log and helping prevent repeated messages. Finally, an IF check verifies whether everything ran successfully. On success, a confirmation email is sent for monitoring. If anything failed, an error email is dispatched so you can troubleshoot quickly.